Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video of Android Studio series, we are going to see material design, the continuation, and what else we can do to this UI. So without any further delay, let me get into the video. But before that, if you didn't watch my previous video, just to check out the previous video before watching this video. So let's get into this video. Here you can see that we have our make payment application. So let me just have a quick recap. So when I hit in this make payment button, it would say payment done, and here you can see payment was successful. So here when I hit in the floating action button, you can see a toast message coming up. Floating action button was clicked. So I'm going to have a text view here which would be having the number 0, and whenever I click in the toast message, the floating button, the number would be incrementing by 1. So to do that, I'm going to get up here and add a text view, and I'm going to say this as wrap content and drop content. After that, here I'm going to add the text, which is going to be 0, and I'm going to say size of the text to be 50 dp and color to be black for now, and I'll be customizing the color by clicking here, getting into custom. I'm gonna pick the color using the color picker, and once I pick that, now I'm going to give style for my text view and bold and italic. So now I'm going to constrain my text view. So after constraining my text view, I'm going to get into a design view, and here you will have to give a margin top of 150 dp, and this looks good. So once after adding this text view, I'm going to give an ID to this text view. So let me give an ID counter. So it's gonna count the number of times I click the floating action button. So now let me get into main activity.java file. Here I'm going to create another text view named counter, and here counter equals to find view by ID counter. Once after doing this, you should get into the btn, because on click of this button I'm going to have the count incremented. So I'm going to say private int I here equals to 0. So in here inside the button, I'm going to say on click of the button counter.setText string value. So you should say string dot value of increments I. So on the click of this floating action button, I should see the value of the text view incrementing. So now we have our application running successfully. Now on the click of my make payment button, I should see the text view here changing, and I should see a toast message, and that's working perfectly. And here on the click of this floating action button, I should see a toast message, and I should also see this text view count incrementing. So on click of this button, I see the toast message and the text view's number incremented. So now whenever I click, the text view's number will be incrementing. Now we are also going to add some additional features, and we are going to use one of the material designs UI. So instead of this toast message, I'm going to have a snack bar. So basically this is the snack bar. So we will have our request here, and on click of this action the snack bar will disappear. So to do this, let me get back to my code, and here I'm going to say snack bar dot make. Here, before starting with this, I should see where snack bar have to appear. So I want my snack bar to appear in this layout, so I should give an ID to this layout, and I have an ID here which is main. So here I'm going to say private constraint layout parent, and here I'm going to say parent equals to find me by ID r.id.main. So once I add this here within snackbar.make, I'm going to set the parent. So this will help the snack bar to know where it have to appear. So after this, I should send some text inside. So let me say, do you want the number to be incremented? So on the click of this button, I will have to request the user if I want to increment the number, and on this action I should also say the length of the snack bar to appear. So we have different kind of time length. So we have animation mode fade, and animation slide, and animation stop. So short means the time span, for example, it will automatically disappear. Length indefinite means the snack bar will only disappear when the button is clicked. So I'm going to give length indefinite dot set action, and I'm going to say yes. So if it is yes, I should say new on click listener, and within here I'm going to pass this statement and dot show. So now let's test our application. So now our application is running successfully. So now when I hit and make payment, it says payment done and your payment was successful. Here I have the floating action button. So now on click of this button, I should see a snack bar appearing. So when I click in this button, it says, do you want the number to be incremented? So if I hit an yes, it should increment the number, means the value of the text view. So when I hit in yes, it increments the number. Number of times I click the floating action button, the number of times I see the snack bar, and the number of times I click in yes, I would see the increment of my text view. So now we are going to see some customization of our snack bar. So let's do that quickly. So here on set action, after set action, I'm going to say dot set text color. So within text color, I'm going to give color dot red, and so this is going to be let me give yellow, and here after that I'm going to say set action text color to be color dot red. So now when I refresh my application, I should see this customized text color and action text color. So now when I hit in the floating action button, I see a yellow color, text color, and action text color in red. So now when I hit in yes, it's working properly. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.